Hello and thank you for visiting us for computer support. In today's dynamic business environment, companies rely on desktops, laptops, mobile devices, and servers, whether on-premise or in the cloud, to stay connected and productive. At PCPlus Networks, we offer comprehensive computer support solutions to ensure your IT infrastructure operates seamlessly, securely, and with minimal downtime. Whether you use on-premise servers, cloud-based solutions like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or a hybrid approach, our expert team provides tailored support to meet your unique business needs. Our computer support services include: we provide diagnostics, troubleshooting, maintenance, and performance optimization for desktops and laptops, ensuring that your workflow remains uninterrupted. For on-premise and cloud servers, we manage your infrastructure, including deployment, configuration, security, monitoring, and performance optimization for platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. If your business uses a hybrid IT infrastructure, we ensure seamless integration, performance optimization, and robust security across both on-site and cloud environments. We also secure and configure smartphones, tablets, and mobile devices, ensuring secure access to business data for remote work flexibility. Our team handles installation, troubleshooting, security patching, and updates for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems, making sure your systems are up to date and, secure. To keep everything running efficiently, we assess and implement hardware and software upgrades, which really helps improve system performance and reliability. We ensure your systems are always up to date with the latest security patches, software updates, and antivirus solutions, so you're protected against potential cyber threats. From setting up workstations and on-premise servers to configuring cloud-hosted environments, we handle the seamless and secure deployment of your IT infrastructure. We proactively monitor and maintain your IT environment, whether on-site, cloud-based, or hybrid, detecting and resolving issues before they disrupt your operations. At PCPlus Networks, we offer flexible support options to meet your evolving IT needs. We provide remote IT support, resolving software, network, and configuration issues without disrupting your workday. For hardware, infrastructure, and network issues, our technicians are ready to provide hands-on assistance at your location. We also specialize in managing AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, ensuring your cloud environment is optimized, secure, and always available. For businesses transitioning to or maintaining cloud platforms, we handle cloud migrations, data backups, security configurations, and performance tuning. So why choose PCPlus Networks? Well, we offer expertise in on-premise cloud and hybrid IT environments, making sure your infrastructure is really well supported. Our around-the-clock monitoring and security solutions proactively protect your IT environment from potential cyber threats. Our certified IT professionals bring deep expertise in server management, cloud computing, and IT security to support your business. Plus, we offer tailored IT solutions that are customized to meet your unique business needs and IT infrastructure. Optimize your IT infrastructure with PCPlus Networks. Just contact us today to learn how our on-premise, cloud, and hybrid IT support solutions can enhance your business operations.